Jamaican commercials from the 20th century. Part 2.
It's Court's 33rd birthday celebration. Come join the fun and see what's in store for you. We have the lowest prices and widest selection of furniture and appliances anywhere. No deposit in furniture, bedding, or carpeting. You could win $100,000, a car, plus a house from the Court's accumulator. Free gifts with every purchase over $1,000. Win an extra free gift or 10, 20, 50, even 100% off your purchase in the Court's Lucky Day. So go on down to Court's today. What are you waiting for? Birthdays come only once a year.
Quintet is my number one. So pour it out and mix it up. Then pour it out and drink it up. To quench my thirst, I'll drink it up. Hey, Quintet is my number one. There's raspberry and strawberry, pineapple, cherry, and orange juice, and many more to quench your thirst. Hey, Quintet is my number one. Let's drink it up.
Hello, I'd like to
Please hold.
Still holding? Call ITS. At ITS, the customer is king. Our services include hotel and transportation reservations and much more. 50 professional travel consultants. After all, service is everything.
We take the trouble out of travel.
Just a little touch, just a special smile, just being happy, feeling all alive, taking life in stride, believing in me. Life can be wonderful, I'm happy to be me. Secure in knowing I'm comfortable as can be, totally feminine, definitely discreet.
Thanks for watching.